In this quick video, I will show you how to open up your Buick Cascada key fob to replace the internal battery. If you clicked on this video, you might have a fob that looks similar, but that's a little bit different. You probably have 5 buttons on the face of your key fob there. I have 3. It's actually the same model. The procedure to open it up is going to be the same. Take the same battery and everything like that. So just follow along with me. You won't need any special tools or anything like that to get this done, but you will need one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these online, and I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now the first step here is just to flip out this internal key and turn over the device. So looking in where the key just came from, in that side compartment there, we're actually just going to push up on this little lip there, pushing up on the inside, and we're going to be removing this back piece of plastic. So you can hold up on the top here, up on the symbol. I have a Chevy symbol, you will have a Buick symbol, and you just push up with your thumb and this piece of plastic comes off very easily. Let me show you that once more. So we're just flipping out the key, holding the top there, and just pushing up right in there. Pushing up like that, and now we have access to the battery. We're just going to touch right where there's this little piece of plastic kind of holding it in. If we just touch right next to that, the battery will pop right out. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery, get your new CR2032 battery, and when you put it in, make sure the positive side is going face up. So we're going to put it in just like this, slide it under that little piece of plastic there till it sits down in there flush, and now we can just click the back piece of plastic back on there, and we are all set. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to give this video a like or let me know down in the comments section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have videos here on this YouTube channel for pretty much every device from every make or model, and you can also get all that information and more at our website, fobbattery.com.